we go. The lecture capture room so far.
See, it's forward in the viewfinder.
Yeah.
And here, Keith, look, I can flip this over and you can see yourself.
Oh, that's awesome. Yes, that's really cool. We're gonna need that.
This is what the student has to do.
This is a light.
And I haven't even lit it properly. It'll pop out more when I light it up
Where's
properly.
oh, there's the,
Sure, let's try it.
but let's try the volume too.
It
There we go.
glow.
Yeah, I don't think I could do that. I don't have very good handwriting to do that.
Hello.
Oh, you don't have to. It's just, it just looks like you could make drawings.
Yeah, that is really cool. But I can hear the volume.
So you are.
Oh, the volume. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have a water slide.
Yeah, let's,
So
can
you
we do
are
a practice?
flipping it.
Go for it.
Yeah,
Go,
we
Betsy.
do a practice.
Well, I don't know.
So what are we missing for tomorrow? What's coming in?
And there's your laptop.
The card to plug this into the computer.
And that'll put it straight into Panopto.
Oh,
And then
Yeah.
it will record directly in without
Yeah.
any
It's coming on
intervening steps.
Amazon?
Yep, I bought it.
It's on.
Terry's gonna reimburse me.
Go ahead, say something. See,
Hello.
there, you're reading on the meter.
Okay.
So it's recording the voice too?
Yes.
Do it. Can I, oh no, I'm not gonna.
And then
get it.
keeps
What
doing
is
the
that?
360?
While I'm doing
There,
You should be able to do any of this.
say something,
What
Betsy.
is that
You'll see it on the meter.
It's a 360-degree camera.
So that's the audio.
Aggregate demand, and so today we'll talk about aggregate supply. On our graph, we have the GDP deflator
Hang on.
as our price level on the vertical axis, and we have real output or income on the horizontal axis. And for our aggregate supply curve, we actually divide it into two time frames. We divide it into the short run and the long run.
Normally, you just
In the short
record the
run, we
camera,
have
then
an
you have
upward
to
sloping
flip the
aggregate
image in
supply curve,
post-production.
which we're going to call SRAS for short run aggregate supply. And we have a vertical aggregate supply curve in the long run, which we'll denote as LRAS for long
So
run aggregate
tomorrow,
supply,
let's do that, clean out
which
and
is
have Betsy
drawn
talk.
at potential
Yeah,
output.
well,
For a minute.
if it works, if that card works, we'll just record it right into Panopto.
Yeah, I don't want, I just want a film clip for the,
Okay.
what are you doing now?
You didn't have a very attentive audience there.